That is a funny little game, darling. But nobody can see you. Well, we got the telescopic bloody lens on. I bought sort of a useless thing like a monocular, is it called? I don't know how to attach it, which is meant to give you better close-ups. You're right, Peps. What you see? It's feeling frisky. So that's good then. It says if you've got diarrhea and you're listless and this and that. And it said feed it pumpkin, which was good because I was about to let my nice pumpkin go rotten and not be bothered cooking it for myself, but I got it. I roasted it for the cat. What has he got? That would be more from I thought that was going to be the neighbour, and I'm going to try and get the lady next door to have a look at its clacker for me and tell me if it's a boy or a girl. Actually, I should get a little washing station ready. I think it might be a bit poopy.